Now it's time to define processing parameters. While pre-processing and post-processing parameters settings window is common to all engines, the definition of processing parameters is strictly linked to the engine used. In the OCR parameters section, you will be asked to set the expected value format, the expected minimum and maximum length, as well as the opportunity to use a lookup file or a lookup database table, in order to allow value verification. Correction. Using a lookup table or file, software checks if the recognized value exists into a list of admitted values. If the value exists, field confidence rate will raise to 100. If not, field confidence will be reduced to 0. Optionally, you can let software automatically correct the recognized value, according to the most similar value of the list. Lookup features can be easily managed by script 2, defining complex and customized operations. For example, the lookup database table can be set dynamically, according to a previously recognized value. In this way, if the value of the field country is Germany, the field city lookup table refers to German cities only.